Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rank your Fiverr gig. Whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or looking to boost your visibility on the platform, understanding how to optimize your gig is essential for attracting clients and growing your business. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Before we dive into creating and optimizing your gig, here's something really important you need to understand. Ranking a Fiverr gig isn't about finding some magical shortcut or trick. The safest and most effective approach is to optimize your gig for Fiverr's search system using strong keywords, a clear description, good visuals, and steady performance signals like clicks, orders, and reviews. This is what we'll be focusing on throughout this process. Now that you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on My Business. From the drop-down options that appear, select Gigs. This takes you to your Gigs dashboard where you can manage all your current offerings. In the right panel, you'll see an option to create a new gig. Click on that to get started with your new listing. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This is crucial because it's one of the first things potential buyers will see, so make it clear and keyword rich. Next, select your category by clicking the drop-down menu and choose the category that best fits your service. Right beside that first drop-down menu, you'll find another one for your subcategory. Click it and select the subcategory that matches what you're offering. After that, you'll need to select your service type from the available options. Now we move into the gig metadata section, which helps Fiverr understand exactly what you're offering. First, select your industry from the drop-down menu. Then choose your language, which indicates the language you'll be working in for this gig. Next, select your purpose, which describes what the service is meant to achieve. Following that, choose your work model, whether it's collaborative, independent, or another option that fits your workflow. Here's a critical step for ranking. Look for the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type your keywords one by one, pressing Enter after each one. Use the right keywords here because these tags directly influence how your gig appears in search results. Think about what your ideal customer would type when looking for your service. Once you've added your tags, click Save and Continue. You'll now be taken through additional sections where you'll need to fill out all the necessary information. This includes your pricing tiers, a detailed description of what you offer, any requirements you need from buyers, and your gig gallery where you'll upload images or videos. Take your time here because these elements all contribute to how well your gig performs. Now here's the thing about ranking. Fiverr's algorithm doesn't just look at how well you fill out your gig. It mainly pushes gigs that get clicks, orders, and good reviews over time. That means you need a high-quality thumbnail that grabs attention, a strong title and description that clearly communicate value, a smart pricing strategy that's competitive but fair, and a fast response time to show you're active and professional. Once you've completed all the sections and reached the Publish section, click Publish Gig. Your gig is now live, and you've laid the foundation for ranking by optimizing every element correctly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.